Your brother, your friend say, me bulpa or hene. Mumani jini mami na murefi. Mumani jini mami me followers. Katachia frifa man kakura makai. Katachia frifa no MPP ni mutio. Eno se MPP amafia. MPP buy no onya de ope. Eno no liti sa timwe. Ena ono ye Fixthecountry. Ena mente bi omuji tum se. MPP aban de omu fiu. MPP aban omu fi. MPP omu fiu nti omu kotone sa kuo no. Ena omu soso ya de edwone. Ena Freedom Fighters no. Ena am say ye one team no mo ye. Eye one game no mu pre no. Omu so kan mu bom. Ena omu share video no. Me no ka say won share MPP for the no kre. Me kasa ma mo so mon share mun fi me me so de me se me kasa magana. Me kasa magana. Kona na be president no. Enya for me ko school free me yo yen ni ba. Enya for my bra ya bra wo Ghana nsa no. So ko fees ni apame. Ezan fee ni apame. Choko teacher se oni choko won twera. Enti me kasa magana o. Enya de menya o. Ghana for problem I attack Japan no. Ghana for problem I attack Akufo Addo no. Wanya bintu attack Akufo Addo. Wanya MP e man so a wanya MPP ni ne ntwepra wata MPP wata Akufo Addo. Na wonwere Ghana ho. Enti man nyone sa team we e friend Fixthecountry a freedom fighters. Ena sa nkra na sa ko doni Fixthecountry e fi odo so ye so twempa wan disim. E fi odo kan Japan wo kan monte ase. E fi odo yi abaya wadi MPP kote wadi minister bi kote ena o pewro so ena pewro sikane mabiem enti de be say wo be hu bibi atan no target Fixthecountry ni na agenda for you people must do freedom fighters, you people must do Fixthecountry and echo not for no more way question social media no so edin ye hu MPP communicator bi a wo be kire ese na nado fixe na nado ye we enso wote Ghana o ya we ese na nado yi asphalt ya na nado yi o ya we pa se ebi ma Ghana da kwame nkruma mo motorway atutu ansa na Akufo Addo ba e kwan bi a Ghana bi anya ye fichi kwan ye kurom kwan enya ye nkura ase ti na nado ene ye be krem se Fixthecountry ko na nado o ba na Ghana ye kwan nye Oba Ghana na yesuku fo nkra yo metiti duase be na say ma adwiri mo odu no I'll never blame Nanado. Me blame Nanado. Nanado is doing something, so the only thing is we need to push him. Enemy be suppose mo ade ya that way ka ade ya that way what for ekwe animo
election Mahama de mo so run am de neighbor enti mo de mo njimi wadwene na anya adwuma no NDC for bodown for amadwene ya adwuma Fixthecountry adwimi for no mo njimi na mo behu Mr. Mahama so de ebepie mo behu doggy style Kofi Dubai or doggy papa enti mo de mo njimi sa 2022 ni ebekoi ye go yin the flag bearer very soon mo behu de ebepie there was special prosecutor Esanso weden attorney general yan koso njimi mon koso na mon njimi all in the name say so be the president nti kwasie bi e ka asem na nya mpapra na ma frɛ no Ibrahim ma usika na kwana ko say we mame bra kofa we nyan say we mame Akufo Addo is not your class for you to bring those kind of shit to, and that's the first thing most of you must know. Akufo Addo on your class. Say why he walked you out. Pay your own admission. Or can I say playing ni say. And yeah, they are saying unya 1 minute to cry with the president. Na sa opportunity way there. You don't even think you will get that opportunity again. Mebwa. Wearing those your words. God said. Charlie, but on the ananka oba and some ma obo. You know, girl ne there no. But say one last one and now we young fan pong. We will continue tomorrow.
Sweetheart, me nimpasa obo for me. But nimpasa obo for me. I am somebody me nim how I said it will be at all. So for me to have come within my soul to ask you, it really meant a lot to me. And I was expecting so back and me say, oh mommy, mini be and I say see idea and I wouldn't say me plan say me too quiet, this and this and that. I mean, you could have said anything. Look at me so the next day back and Asem. Na ɛyɛ me den sɛ mebusa nti no ɛyɛ me den sɛ mɛsan bɛ pressure wo sɛ o ade akye o mante wo nka o ɛdɛn o nti mambɔ da sɛ mebusa wo hwɛ sisi a mewɔ hɔ yi sɛ meyɛ m'adwene sɛ meba Accra meba Ghana bɛsra wo koraa mpo na me fie wɔ Kumase, okay, mentumi mma wo fie, and then definitely it would be a waste of money in hotels or motels or rented house or whatever. So I just thought, say, okay, even if metimi finish 1 or 2 rooms be able me fee on at least the Accra, because my background as a CI na me wo Kumase kra na it will take me travel time to come to Accra to see you, and I say it will take you travel time. So be jai with Juma to and so be free with fee abekumase. So I thought it's okay. If you wanna cause and I don't know why go for a target why actually now we are we. And I figure said it's the only or almost second or third house in what area where they uncompleted in terms of one area boys be hanging around. So I thought, okay, meet me 2 rooms there. My mommy uncle anyway no so that 1 room for the time being. And then I'll do another way for myself just in case my bagana non person stay Accra. Not that I mean we have a family home, it will easily gone. Any identity, but if I'm going to be around somebody like yourself, I don't want to have you come to baby a family member be who wanna say baby, because we're public figure and you know how I Ghana for and Kasa. So I thought of doing such a thing. I plan to date you because me want to mean date you be and I've not dated anybody for a very long time. But strangely, I like your personality. I like the way you smile. I like the way you talk. I like how you didn't know me, but you were so eager to help me. It was our help one puputi. I was shocked, say, number crime afraid to me by because most I kind of say MPs and all this who is who and all these big people are more Ghana. Unim nipa na kura friend kura on fadada. And you didn't know me from anywhere, but my friend on number and a buy, and you were so kind, And I was telling a friend of mine, oh, man, be pa me so it's so kind, even though I didn't disclose who you are. No, I was very very appreciative of who you are, how you respond. Even the other day, me catch a Clinton, my cousin, they said, wow, I can't believe he's willing to help because usually people don't have time, and so I like your spirit like that. You were really, you step up to help my friend, even though only your baby and now across no near but you were willing to help. And I like how you really open up, when maybe we're on no casa, they don't know how to say, oh, I'm feeling this and this for you, but you sort of open up to me about how you feel for me, and I appreciate it, and I feel the same way for you. So that being said, I don't know how to hide my feelings from somebody I'm a penasem. So I just wanted you to know that I was hurt a little bit because I was like, wow, he has time. He's on Facebook, he's on WhatsApp all the time. It's just a little and my memory sorry. Many our message, but right now, any good time for us to talk, and I say any good time for me to discuss this and this with you, and maybe another time, or my only baby and when we meet. But to just ignore me, I don't ignore people, and I don't like to be ignored. And normally, no, me and Pomini will be any such we be an obiet may ignore me. Name the bus will be sure that is how I am. I don't like disappointments until I don't ask at all. So me here and more cry free nipe bi ho ami musano because I feel hurt say I know that this person is able